Tired of constantly snacking and feeling like you have no control over your cravings? Want to know nature's secret weapon for curbing cravings for good? Today, we're exploring ways that beans can curb cravings and stabilize blood sugar. No one thinks of beans as a glam ingredient, and they often get a bad rap for causing stomach trouble. But they're actually a powerful tool for knocking out cravings and keeping blood sugar stable. So if you're ready to say goodbye to mindless snacking and hello to a satisfying, balanced diet that supports your health and wellness goals, pay attention. Beans help you feel full and satisfied. Beans are a rich source of fiber and protein, both of which are known for giving a sense of fullness and satisfaction. Beans are specifically rich in soluble fiber. Soluble fiber attracts water and turns into a gel-like substance during digestion. This slows digestion down, keeping you feeling fuller for longer, potentially eliminating extra trips to the kitchen or the break room throughout the day. And bonus, soluble fiber can help lower cholesterol and blood glucose levels. Beans support gut health. Beans contain resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that is not easily digested in the small intestine. Instead, it passes on through to the large intestine where it serves as a prebiotic, meaning fuel for friendly gut bacteria. This also means that it takes longer for you to break down that food and it leaves you feeling full for extended periods. If you're like most people, you'll notice that this combination of fiber, protein, and resistant starch in beans will stabilize your blood sugar to such an extent that when hunger does strike, it'll be gentle rather than intense and a trigger for cravings. And you'll find it easier to eat the lunch you packed instead of hanging out at the candy jar in your coworker's office. Another benefit of stable blood sugar is stable energy, so you can spend your day doing the things that you find valuable and sidestep late afternoon energy crashes. Because beans are nutrient dense, the benefits you get from eating them go well beyond curbing cravings. Nourishing your body with beans can enhance your overall nutritional intake while satisfying your hunger. Beans really are the unsung heroes of the nutrition world. They may look small, but these little legumes pack a powerful punch when it comes to helping you reach your wellness goals. So next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to include some beans, your secret weapon for kicking cravings to the curb. Not quite sure how to do it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Just check out the blog post in the video description below, and you'll find some simple and flavorful bean-based recipes.